Hi, my name's James and I'm from BlindsbyPost, and today I'm going to show you how to wake your motor up. So to protect the blind during transit, the motor has been placed into sleep mode. Prior to installation, you'll need to wake the motor up. This video will show you how. Your motorised blind will come with a pin tool. To protect your blind during transit, the motor has been placed into sleep mode, which you'll need to wake up. Press and hold the programming button on the motor head with the pin tool for 1 second. The blind should jog once. Your blind has been preset with the upper and lower limits that you provided on your order. So now that you've woken it up, it's ready to use.